Did you know that over 65% of senior travelers unknowingly pay extra airline fees they could easily avoid? From surprise baggage charges to missed priority boarding opportunities, many older flyers are missing out on perks they're already entitled to simply because airlines don't advertise them. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on 9 senior travel secrets that U.S. airlines don't want you to know. Whether you're planning your next getaway or helping a loved one fly more comfortably, these insider tips will save you money, reduce stress, and make your entire journey smoother from check-in to landing. So, if you're 60 plus or even traveling with a senior this year, stay tuned because these little-known airline perks could completely change the way you fly in 2025. Number 1. Guaranteed cabin space for certified service animals. If you rely on a trained service animal, federal law guarantees it can fly in the cabin with you at no charge. Airlines must accommodate certified service dogs for seniors who use them for hearing support, mobility assistance, or other medical needs. These animals can sit at your feet and do not require a pet carrier or ticket, unlike emotional support animals. While paperwork is required, most carriers offer easy forms online and allow pre-clearance before travel day. Flight attendants are trained to ensure that space is made for your service animal, including helping with access to water, seating space, and movement during the flight. Many senior travelers don't realize these rights exist or think they need to pay for the pet. But as long as your dog is properly trained and documented, it's a free and fully protected accommodation. This quiet perk ensures comfort and independence while flying. Number 2. Secret senior discounts on select routes. Senior discounts still exist, but airlines aren't eager to advertise them. U.S. carriers like American Airlines, United, and Delta offer lower fares to travelers age 65 and up, though these deals aren't always visible online. United's booking system lets you select a senior, 65-plus option, which applies special fares when available. American sometimes lists reduced senior fares on international routes, and Delta provides senior discounts only if you call their reservations line directly. Budget airlines like Frontier occasionally promote age-specific fare sales, such as 55% off for travelers 55 and older. These discounts vary by route and demand and are often excluded from third-party travel sites, so seniors must book directly through the airline's site or call customer service to access them. While not guaranteed, these hidden deals can save 5 to 25% per ticket. It's a quiet travel trick that savvy older flyers should always explore before booking a flight. Number 3. Bigger, accessible lavatories on new planes. In 2025, U.S. airlines are rolling out newly designed wheelchair-accessible lavatories on single-aisle jets like the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. For decades, narrow-body aircraft commonly used for domestic routes had lavatories that were cramped and hard for seniors with mobility issues to use. But now, a new federal regulation requires all new aircraft of this type to include one larger ADA-compliant lavatory. These bathrooms have wider doors, grab bars, and space for an onboard wheelchair to enter. This change is a game-changer for older travelers who previously avoided flying due to restroom access concerns. While airlines aren't loudly promoting this change, it's one of the most impactful comfort upgrades for seniors in 2025. If you're flying on a newer plane, ask your airline about the accessible restroom when booking or checking in. It's a quiet advancement that offers peace of mind for longer or cross-country flights. Number 4. Quiet seat assignment help for seniors. Seniors can often get better seats just by asking. While most airlines charge extra for preferred seating, gate agents and customer service reps can override those fees for seniors with mobility concerns. You don't need a doctor's note. Just explain you have trouble climbing over others or standing for long. Airlines are required to accommodate seating requests for passengers who need accessible seating or added comfort due to age-related limitations. Many flight crews will also relocate seniors during boarding if there's a better seat available. It's not advertised, but if the flight isn't full, you might even get moved to a roomier spot like a bulkhead row. The secret is to speak up early either when booking, during check-in, or at the gate. This insider move can dramatically improve your comfort without paying for seat upgrades. Number 5. Free wheelchair and airport escort services. Most senior travelers don't realize that airlines must provide complimentary wheelchair and escort services from check-in to the gate. If you're a senior with reduced mobility, you can request a wheelchair at the curb, check-in desk, or even in advance during booking. Once requested, airline staff will guide you through security, assist with your carry-on bags, and escort you all the way to your seat on the aircraft. You'll also receive help with connections or layovers, making complex airports far more manageable. The best part? This service is 100% free, no tipping or fees involved. Many seniors skip this out of pride or uncertainty, but it's a fully supported federal requirement under the Air Carrier Access Act. Even travelers who don't use a wheelchair regularly can request one to avoid long walking distances. Whether you're recovering from a procedure or simply need assistance navigating a busy airport, this quiet benefit offers real relief. Number 6. Preboarding access without paying extra. You don't have to pay for early boarding if you're a senior traveler who needs extra time. Most U.S. airlines allow passengers with mobility concerns or those who need help boarding to enter the plane before general boarding begins, and you don't need medical documentation. Simply let the gate agent know you require extra time due to age, arthritis, joint issues, or any reason affecting your boarding speed. They will usually allow you to board with the pre-boarding group, often before first class. This perk isn't advertised loudly but is guaranteed by law for travelers who need assistance. It's ideal if you need help finding overhead space, require assistance walking down the aisle, or want to sit calmly before the cabin fills up. Seniors who feel rushed or cramped during boarding will appreciate this quiet, yet powerful travel secret. Just speak up at the gate, and that simple request can transform your boarding experience. Number 7. Free check-in for mobility aids and devices. Airlines are required to check mobility aids like wheelchairs, walkers, scooters, or canes free of charge, and they don't count toward your baggage allowance. If you're a senior who uses any mobility device, you can bring it with you to the airport, use it up to the gate, and have it either gate-checked or stored on board depending on its size. After landing, the device will be returned to you at the aircraft door. This benefit also includes other medical equipment like CPAP machines or oxygen concentrators. These items are considered assistive devices and must be accommodated at no additional cost. Many seniors don't know they're entitled to these baggage exemptions and often worry about fees or restrictions. But in reality, the rules are designed to support older travelers and make flying more accessible. Just notify your airline in advance or at check-in, and they'll coordinate it smoothly, saving you money, hassle, and effort. Number 8. TSA screening. Perks for travelers 75 and older. One of the best-kept airport secrets is that travelers aged 75 and older get simplified security screening at TSA checkpoints. You won't have to remove your shoes, light jackets, or even laptops in some cases. TSA agents are trained to offer a more respectful and less physically demanding process to older passengers, especially those with mobility or medical issues. You can also request to be screened while seated if standing is difficult. If you use a medical device or wear a brace, TSA will conduct a private screening or swab rather than ask you to remove it. This streamlined process reduces stress and wait times, an unspoken advantage that most seniors don't even realize is theirs by default. If you're not yet 75 but have medical limitations, you can still request assistance and may be granted modified screening. All you have to do is speak up when you arrive at security. Number 9. In-flight luggage and seatbelt. Help on request. Flight attendants are obligated to assist seniors with storing carry-on bags and fastening seatbelts when requested. If you have difficulty lifting a bag into the overhead bin or buckling your seatbelt due to limited mobility, simply ask for help. These services are federally required under accessibility laws, yet many older passengers feel uncomfortable asking. Airlines are also required to assist with retrieving mobility aids after landing. Additionally, seniors may bring assistive devices like canes or folding walkers on board, without them counting toward carry-on limits. You're also entitled to store medical items like CPAPs or medication kits at your seat or under the seat in front of you. The key is speaking up early, preferably when boarding or during seat assignment, to let the crew know you'll need assistance. These are rights, not favors, and using them can make flying smoother, safer, and more comfortable.